Make no mistake, we will have some challenges coming up. One of them is going to be our school funding formula. It's important to remember that our needs have changed over the last 20 years, and our current funding formula no longer is serving those needs. We've had the conversation as educators about the haves and the have-nots, and contrary to popular belief, the superintendent does not control the funding formula. Although the legislature does, and I do have a seat on that work group and a voting voice, which is very exciting. It's important to remember that this is going to be a challenge, and it's not going to get done in one legislative session. They are projecting at least 2. One of the other challenges is we're going to face is that professional development for our K-3 teachers. They're very excited. They're willing to jump on board. I was around when we had the Reading First grant, and we all had a lot of great training, and we came a long way, but we kind of hit a brick wall, and it's time to pick that up and make sure that the new teachers coming in and the teachers and all the turnover that we've had actually get back into those research-based methods and that training. And also another challenge we're going to face this year is the teacher shortage. That is not just Idaho, that is national, and we were in Washington, D.C. talking about that on a national level. There is no solution at this time, but we did discuss, and I agree, that it's going to take a combination, of state and local ideas to address the teacher shortage, and we're going to have to be very flexible.